Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi router blinking red? This usually means it's having trouble connecting to the internet. A steady red light indicates no internet signal or the modem isn't activated. A blinking red light means it's trying to connect to Spectrum's network, or there's a downstream-upstream issue, like signal degradation. This differs from a green light, connected, or a blue light, Wi-Fi active. Because Spectrum's network is a hybrid fiber coaxial system, signal strength is crucial. The most common causes include hardware issues like overheating or faulty cables, software or connectivity problems like outdated firmware or ISP outages, and user-related factors like improper setup or interference from other electronics. Ideally, it should be between 7 plus 7 dBmV. First, power cycle your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step fixes 40 to 50% of cases. Next, check your cable connections to ensure the coaxial cable is secure, using a splitter if needed, but avoid daisy chaining. Update the router's firmware via the Spectrum app. You can also check your signal strength using Spectrum's speed test or apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer. If the blinking persists, contact Spectrum support for a modem swap or a technician visit. Remember to ground your router to prevent electrical damage, and avoid DIY repairs on leased equipment, as it can void the warranty. If you're still having issues, consider that Spectrum introduced Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems, like the RAth3v1K, which reduces the chances of single point of failures, which could cause blinking red incidents. If the issue is still happening, and Spectrum are offering free Ethernet adapters due to the issue in 2024, consider using this.